Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I want to talk about Bitcoin and crypto because today, guys, the market, is dipping, right? The crypto market today is dipping. We are, in fact, seeing Bitcoin dropping and altcoins dropping. But I am here to tell you guys that, this should not worry you guys, okay? Do not worry. Do not panic, okay? Because we know, guys, we are in fact in a bull run, and we know, right, ever since we had, the US election 2 weeks ago, right at the beginning of this month of November, we saw Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs pretty much every single day. I felt like Bitcoin went from, $74,000 and it literally just jumped all the way to like over 90K. I felt like we skipped Bitcoin reaching those, 80K levels, right? From Bitcoin going from, $80,000 all the way to like $89,000. Like we literally skipped through that. I felt like, Bitcoin just skyrocketed from $74,000, okay, and then all the way to, $99,000. And yes, it was very, very close to reaching 100K, right? Bitcoin has been struggling to reach $100,000, but guys, we know Bitcoin soon enough will be reaching $100,000. Okay, that day is coming, so please be ready for that. So, guys, please do not panic. Do not be scared right now. Okay, we are used to this, and like I said, right, when we are in fact in a bull run, guys, we're gonna see corrections. We're gonna see days where Bitcoin's gonna have a correction. Same with altcoins, right? When we are in fact in a bull run, guys, we're not gonna see pumps every single day. Okay, Bitcoin is not just gonna go straight up, right? Same with altcoins. Okay, we're gonna get days where we see corrections, just like today. Okay, so understand, guys, Bitcoin is still on track. Please take this as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin and your favorite altcoins. Take this as a gift, guys, because it truly is, right? I know majority of you guys, when we saw Bitcoin close to like 100K, you guys were begging for a dip, and here it is, right? Bitcoin has dipped, okay? Altcoins have dipped, so please take this as a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy, because I really do believe this is going to be the last dip before we see a massive pump. And this next pump, it's going to lead Bitcoin to $100,000 and higher, right? So let's talk about it, guys, because we do, in fact, have a fair few things to talk about for today's stream. So Bitcoin's 93K dip could be last flush before the rush. Okay, so crypto market analysts remain confident that Bitcoin will hit six figures before the end of the year, despite the recent 7% correction. And I totally agree, right? That, towards the end of this year in 2024, we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. I still think, Bitcoin is still 100% on track to reaching 100K towards the end of this year in 2024, right before the year 2025. So understand, guys, you have nothing to worry about. Okay, you really, really don't. Please, guys, right, take today, okay, as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin and your favorite altcoins, okay, because it really is a great time right now to buy. Okay, it really, really is. So look at this. As I'm actually streaming right now, Bitcoin is actually dropping. Okay, we saw it earlier, okay, at about 94, and then dropped all the way to $93,000, and now it's currently at $92,400, just below $92,500. So Bitcoin right now is dropping even more, guys. But like I said, do not panic. Okay, we are in fact in the 15-minute time frame, because I just want to clearly show you guys, how much Bitcoin has in fact been dropping for the past day, right? Ever since last night, right? This is pretty much when the dip started to happen, okay? And this is where it is right now. So yeah, $92,500. When in doubt, guys, just remember, okay, when in doubt, zoom out. If we go to the daily time frame, okay, Bitcoin is completely doing fine, right? You guys can just clearly see that Bitcoin is still completely doing fine. It is still above $90,000. Just think about that, guys. right? Bitcoin is above 90K, right? At the beginning of this month of November, right? Where was Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, okay, was at $70,000. Okay, this was Bitcoin right over here, 1st of November, around 70K. Okay, and we had the US election around over here, right? And you guys can clearly see ever since we had the US election, we saw Bitcoin making this beautiful uptrend, reaching a new all-time high. And I don't know if you guys remembered, but I'm pretty sure you guys remember, right? During this time when Bitcoin was pumping, it was reaching a new all-time high like every single day. I could not keep up. Okay, like honestly, I could not keep up with the price of Bitcoin during that time, right? When the US election actually happened. Okay, I could not keep up with the price for Bitcoin because every single day, guys, it was just skyrocketing. It was reaching new all-time highs. Okay, so understand, guys, yes, right now it is in fact having a correction. But like I said, corrections are completely normal. Look at how much Bitcoin has pumped for the past, 2 weeks, right? Ever since, the 6th of November to where we are now, right? 26th of November. Okay, so understand, guys, corrections are normal, right? We're not going to see Bitcoin just pumping and pumping and pumping, right? We're going to see days where it has corrections, right? So right now, okay, it's having correction. Who knows? It could consolidate and it'll bounce back up. Or who knows, right? We could see it drop back down to the, downside, right? And then it'll bounce back up. Okay, this is going to be the last dip, guys, before we see Bitcoin breaking $100,000. Because, guys, 100K Bitcoin is coming. I just want you guys to understand that, right? 100K Bitcoin is still coming. And I still believe, like I said, 100K Bitcoin is still going to happen towards the end of this year in 2024. So why panic now, guys? Okay, instead of panicking, you should buy more. And we should all be used to this by now, guys, right? Especially for the people out there that has been in, Bitcoin and crypto for the longest time for the past few years. We should be very, very used to, having corrections and crashes and whatnot, right? This is nothing, especially to everyone out there that has experienced, our last bear market back in 2022. Like I told you guys many times, right? If you simply survived the year 2022, if you literally survived that year of 2022 during that bear market, you can literally survive anything in the crypto market, right? In the crypto space, like literally, because that year was one of the worst times for Bitcoin and crypto, right? A lot of negative things, okay, around the crypto space caused the entire crypto market to crash. And we were already in a bear market, right? For example, we saw Terra Luna collapsing, right? That obviously caused the entire crypto market to crash even more, right? So Terra Luna collapsed. We saw a lot of crypto exchanges shutting down and pretty much going bankrupt. The biggest one, FTX, and that obviously caused the entire market to crash. Like if you survived those times, you can literally survive anything, guys, right? So this dip, this is nothing. You know what I mean? Look at it. Look at the price of Bitcoin, $92,000. It is still above 90K. And maybe, right, it could go below 90K. That doesn't matter, right? Because it will eventually bounce back up. Remember, guys, we are in fact in a bull run. This is the beginning of a bull run. We are still in it, guys. A lot of you guys may think it's over, right? We're about to enter the next bear market. No, guys. This is a 4-year cycle. Okay, this is a 4-year cycle, right? 2022, we're in a bear market, right? 2023, right? Same. And then, of course, guys, 2024 to 2025, okay, we're going to be in a bull market, right? We still have an entire year next year. And that's why I've been telling guys, right, the next 6 to 8 months, even 10 months will be amazing for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so guys, yes, Bitcoin right now is dropping. It is dipping. Please take this as an opportunity to buy. And like I said, maybe a lot of you guys were in fact hoping, just praying and hoping, right, for a dip. And guess what? Today is that day. Okay, Bitcoin is dipping. A lot of altcoins are dipping. Okay, most likely your favorite altcoins are in fact dipping right now. So please take this as an opportunity to buy, guys. Right? So overall today, the market's down almost 4%, 3.7%. Global crypto market cap setting up 3.23 trillion, right? So it's just below 3.3 trillion. Okay, so yeah, the market today is taking a hit, Bitcoin is down 6%. Not too bad, to be honest, right? Not too bad. It is pretty bad, actually. But like I said, we should take this as a opportunity to buy, guys. Okay, this is a decent dip, I must say, right? 6%. Ethereum today is down slightly, right? Over 1%. Solana right now down 9%. That is crazy, right? 9%, almost 10%. Great time right now to buy some Solana. Maybe a lot of you guys had FOMO to buy Solana. We know Solana about 3 days ago did reach a new all-time high. Okay, it reached back up to its previous cycle high and of course reached a new high, and now it is down almost 10%. So for all the people out there that wanted to buy Solana, that had that FOMO when Solana was, at a new all-time high, buy some today, right? It's at a discount. It is almost down 10%. BNB down 5%. XRP is down 9%. I know a lot of you guys are in fact XRP holders. Great opportunity right now. Okay, great opportunity right now to buy some XRP, down almost 10%. Look at Dogecoin down almost 11%. Okay, great time right now to buy some Dogecoin. And we know, guys, Dogecoin, right? Let's have a look here. Dogecoin has been pumping, right? We know that. Look at it. Again, when in doubt, zoom out, guys. Daily time frame for Dogecoin. Okay, Yashin's clearly Dogecoin is still holding up very, very well. Okay, it really, really is, guys. Okay, so yeah, Dogecoin is down almost 11% today. Please, right, take this as an opportunity to buy some Dogecoin. If you've been thinking about it, buy some today. Look at Cardano, down 11%, back down below $1. Okay, so great time to buy some Cardano. Avalanche as well, down 11%. Should be Unu today, down at 6%. Toncoin 3%. Look at Stellar, right? XOM, a whopping 17.5%. And we know Stellar has been skyrocketing for the past few days. Like, look at it, right? Even though, yeah, today it's down, almost 18%, almost 20%. For the past week, it's still up over 100%. And look at this, for the past month, it's up 380%. Right? It is crazy, guys. Okay, a lot of these altcoins have been pumping for the past few days. But today, okay, a lot of altcoins are in fact taking a hit. Okay, so guys, please take today as a day to buy the dip. Days like this, we should take it as an opportunity to buy, guys. Okay, now look at this. Even though Bitcoin and crypto is dipping today, the Free Greed Index is currently in extreme greed, currently at 79, right? Yesterday we saw it at 82. Last week we saw it at 90, right? Its highest it's been was around 94. So you guys can just clearly see, even though, yeah, Bitcoin and crypto is dipping today, we are still in extreme greed. We are still in the greens, guys. Okay, and the next update will be in 15 hours. And who knows? Yeah, I think this will be maybe back in greed mode, right? But we will see. But so far right now, it's currently in extreme greed, right? Now, Bitcoin monthly returns, 34%. We are still in the greens. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, when Bitcoin was at its all-time highs, it was like over 40%, like around 42 to 43%. So it is still holding up pretty well. We are still up over 30%, and we're in the greens, right? Moonvember is still here, guys. Okay, it is still here, and it is still on track, right? It really, really is. Now, getting into these charts, starting off with this one, I want to talk about altcoins real quick, because we know, guys, altcoins are about to skyrocket. I am telling you guys that right now. Okay, maybe, right? Most likely, your favorite altcoins will skyrocket. Okay, a lot of these altcoins, guys, in the crypto market will skyrocket. So you guys can clearly see in this chart, crypto total market cap, okay, it's going to pump and it's going to reach a new high. We know alt season is right around the corner, guys. So a lot of these altcoins will pump. We are already seeing a lot of altcoins pumping, right? For the past few days, we saw Cardano reaching over $1. Okay, we haven't seen Cardano reaching $1 for like over 2 years. It was insane. It was amazing, right? So that happened, right? And like I said, I do believe Cardano has potential to reach back up to its previous all-time highs. Another altcoin, XRP. XRP has been absolutely skyrocketing, mainly because Gary Gensler is obviously resigning as the SEC's chairman, right? And obviously, XRP, it's free. Ripple is free, right? We know a couple months back, They did in fact win that lawsuit against the SEC. So they are free, and that's why XRP is absolutely skyrocketing. And I think XRP has huge potential right this bull cycle. And a lot of meme coins have been popping. A lot of people have been trading meme coins, okay, and they have been printing millions of dollars, right? So a lot of people out there, especially the younger generations, they've been making life-changing money trading meme coins, okay. And yes, Solana, obviously reaching a new all-time high. Same with Sui reaching a new all-time high. And yeah, a lot of altcoins have been pumping for the past few days, right? Like Polkadot, we saw that pumping. Polygon was also pumping as well. Dogecoin was also pumping. A lot of alts have been pumping, guys. So understand, alt season is about to be more epic. Okay, it's about to be more crazier, right? So get ready for that, guys, because alt season is about to begin. So get ready for that. Now, guys, I want to show you guys this because this is actually very, very interesting, right? So President Donald Trump holds over $5.4 million in crypto. Now, looking at this, honestly, I don't think this is his entire crypto portfolio, because in this portfolio, right, he has some Ethereum and he has some, meme coins, right? He even has Trump, right? And he also has USDC. Okay, and I don't believe, honestly, I don't believe this is Donald Trump's only crypto portfolio and what he's holding right now. Where is Bitcoin? Right? We know Donald Trump likes Bitcoin, so I know this man has some Bitcoin. Okay, and it's only $5.4 million. That is nothing to him. You know what I mean? So I really do believe maybe Donald Trump has multiple crypto portfolios, right? Because $5.4 million in crypto is nothing to the guy, right? It really, really isn't. Okay, I reckon he has way more than this, than what he is holding. But he is holding almost 500 Ethereum, which is insane, right? That is almost $2 million. And that is nothing to him. We know Donald Trump is obviously, a billionaire, right? So I reckon he has way more holdings than this, right? But I just find this, very, very interesting. Okay, very, very interesting. But guys, look at this. Okay, Wales, okay, just bought $86 million of Bitcoin, okay, in Binance, right? So they are buying hundreds of Bitcoins, right, for the past few hours. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. This was just yesterday, right? This happened yesterday in Binance, okay? Whales are buying, guys. Okay, whales are buying when a lot of institutions have been buying as well ever since we got the Bitcoin ETFs, right? A lot of institutions like BlackRock, they've been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, right? We know that. Okay, even MarketStrategy, okay, they are buying. Different countries out there, major businesses and companies are buying, right? Everyone wants a piece of Bitcoin. They are now understanding where Bitcoin is heading in the future, right? So this is obviously, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Now, speaking about whales buying, look at this, guys. MarketStrategy has acquired, right, 55,500 Bitcoins, almost 56,000 Bitcoins. Okay, so that's estimated to be about $5.4 billion, guys. Okay, and he bought these Bitcoins at just below $98,000 Bitcoins per Bitcoin, right? So this is insane, okay? And we already knew that this was coming, that MarketStrategy, okay, were in fact going to be buying more Bitcoin, right? And, we saw that yesterday, right? We saw that last night, right? So MarketStrategy, okay, they now hodl 386,700 Bitcoins. They are going to get to, 500,000 Bitcoins next year, right? That is insane, guys, to think about, right? And obviously, right, with MarketStrategy, hodling, right, this amount of Bitcoin, right, almost 400,000 Bitcoins, they are obviously not going to be moving it. They're not going to be selling it, guys, anytime soon. They're simply going to be hodling it for as long as they possibly can, for a lifetime. Okay, who knows? But these guys, okay, they are buying up a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and they are simply not going to be moving it or selling it or anything like that. They're simply going to be hodling it, right? Because they know where Bitcoin is heading in the future. Okay, so Marcus Seller, he's a very, very smart man. Okay, he is winning. Okay, and I feel like just in general, right, that everyone who is buying Bitcoin and most importantly holding Bitcoin, right, they're not selling it for short-term gains. They're simply just holding it, right, for their future selves and of course their future family and whatnot, right? They are winning, right? You guys are winning. Understand that. If you're simply buying Bitcoin and hodling it, right, for long term gains, okay, doing this for your future self and family, understand you are winning in life, okay? You are going to set yourself up and your family up, right, to amazing things, okay? You really, really are, guys, okay? You will become a multimillionaire. You will obviously have a lot of wealth. And most importantly, because this is what everyone wants in the world, is you will have financial freedom. You will have some type of freedom just by simply buying Bitcoin and hodling Bitcoin for long term, right? Not financial advice, always do your own research, but I think that is very, very possible. Okay. So yeah, this is amazing to see, guys, that MicroStrategy, okay, slash Marcus Saylor, they bought more Bitcoin today. Okay, almost 56,000 Bitcoins, which is estimated to a whopping $5.4 billion. That is insane. Okay, they are buying up Bitcoin because they know soon enough it's going to be in the six figs. Okay, so whales are buying, us into retail investors, we should be buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin as well, guys. Okay, like I said many times, this is the time to buy Bitcoin. And look at this. Speaking about retail investors, look at this. Retail interest in crypto is coming back. Okay, I'm hearing so many people around me talking about Bitcoin and altcoins again. Okay, we're going way higher. So you guys can clearly see, I told you guys many times that retail interest is spiking, and you guys can clearly see here, right? Crypto, okay, it's spiking, right? You guys can clearly see retail interest is spiking, and I know people, right? Like literally, I am not capping. I'm not lying to you guys. People that I know personally that are not Bitcoiners, that are not in the crypto space, they are now talking about Bitcoin. They are literally asking me questions like, is Bitcoin going to drop more? Should I buy it now? Right? Should I wait? Okay. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? Like all these type of questions. You know what I mean? And that's just how I knew that retail interest is coming back. That FOMO is coming back. Right? And it is, guys. Right? So understand we are in fact in a bull run. Understand that, guys. Okay. When we see retail interest, okay, sparking up and people, a lot more people talking about it, coming back to, the crypto space, that's how that's a huge sign and signal that we are in fact in a bull market, that we are in fact in a bull run. And we know, you guys, in general, we are obviously in a bull run. Like this is just the beginning. Bitcoin has been reaching new all-time highs. Altcoins have been pumping, meme coins, okay, a lot of hype about meme coins as well. So understand we are in fact in a bull run, guys. Okay, we know that. Okay, so that's a huge sign, guys, that we are in fact in a bull market. But yeah, look at this, guys. Okay, can Bitcoin hit 100K before Thanksgiving? Okay, you guys clearly see usually, right? Usually in Thanksgiving time, we do in fact see Bitcoin, okay, pumping. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, right? So for this year, right, 2024, will we see the exact same thing? Will we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, okay, before Thanksgiving? We will have to see. Okay, we will have to see. No promises right now because Bitcoin, let's see the price of Bitcoin, $92.7 thousand. Right, let's put out the 15-minute time frame and see what Bitcoin is heading for today. Right, but $92.7 thousand right now for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so who knows? We will see if Bitcoin can reach 100K before Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you think it's possible? Personally, I really don't know. Okay, I really do not know. But guys, look at this. Okay, Bitcoin stays on track with 2023 moves. It has just completed the pullback. From here, there will be a surge above 100K, followed by a consolidation around that level. Bitcoin will reach 200K in early 2025. Okay, so you guys clearly see we are in fact seeing very similar moves to what Bitcoin did last year, 2023 of Q4. Okay, compared to what it's doing right now for this year in Q4. So you can clearly see, okay, in November we saw a pump, okay, we saw a pullback, and then of course early December it started to pump. And we know, guys, right, December will be a decent time for Bitcoin and crypto. Remember, it's gonna be Christmas, right? And we're gonna see the Santa rally, right? Just remember that, guys. So I really do believe, December will be a amazing time for Bitcoin and crypto. And if we don't see Bitcoin reaching 100K end of this month of November, then it's going to happen in December, right? At least early December. I think that is very, very possible. But the real question is here, right? Is that will Bitcoin reach 200K early 2025, right? Is that possible? We will have to see, right? Because there's a lot of predictions out there that people are in fact saying, Bitcoin is going to be reaching, right, 400K, 500K per Bitcoin, even $1 million, which is insane. I don't think like this bull run, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching $1 million. I don't think that is possible at all, but I mean, we'll see, but I highly doubt it. As I told you guys many times, personally, I do see Bitcoin reaching at least 200K, 250, to even 300K and higher. I think that's very, very possible. Now, Bitcoin reaching 400K, I'm 50-50 on that. Even 500K, right? I'm 50-50 on that as well. Okay, we'll have to see. But there's a lot of predictions out there that, yeah, people are in fact saying we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 400K to 500K. And I know a lot of you guys want to know the top, where the top will be for Bitcoin. And the thing is, guys, right, realistically, no one knows where the top is going to be for Bitcoin. Right, that's the thing. No one realistically knows where the top will be for Bitcoin, guys. Right, I could be wrong. Okay, who knows? We could potentially see Bitcoin reaching 400K to 500K. Who knows? It can happen. Right, a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin. And as I told you guys many times, once Bitcoin, reaches $100,000, and a lot of countries out there see Bitcoin at 100K and over. Right, we see a lot of companies and businesses seeing Bitcoin, over 100K. I feel like everyone wants a piece. Once we see Bitcoin, at 100K and higher, it's in the six figures. I feel like a lot more institutions that want a piece of Bitcoin, right? Whales that want to buy more Bitcoin. Okay. I feel like a lot of companies, major companies and businesses want a piece of Bitcoin as well. And of course, countries. I feel like Bitcoin is going to become like a global thing, right? So understand. Okay, I think the future is very, very bright for Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. I think once Bitcoin breaks 100K and it reaches over 100K from there on, right? Because we know, guys, Bitcoin's gonna moonshot. Like once it reaches $100,000, I think it's gonna go to like 110, like straight up, right? And I really do believe, it's gonna change the world, right, for Bitcoin. I think from there on, when we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, I think it's gonna be like game changing from there. You know what I mean? Like we know Bitcoin is like no joke anymore, right? Bitcoin is a digital asset that, over 15 years ago, it was worth nothing. And now, right, over 15 years later, it's now worth almost $100,000, soon to be 100K. So just think about that, guys, right? Everyone will be right about Bitcoin. Okay, so that is that. Now, guys, I want to show you guys this clip, right? So apparently, the CEO of Vanex says Bitcoin is going to $300,000 this bull cycle. Now, this is a pretty interesting clip, so I just want you guys to watch it. Hopefully, this is on max volume.
Associates. Yeah, and it's great to have you. And when you're probably asked as much as I am if Bitcoin's going to 100,000 next, what would you say?
Kelly, happy Friday. I think Bitcoin's going to hit all-time highs. It hit them today, and I think it's going further, right? My basic premise is that ultimately Bitcoin's value will be half of that of all the gold outstanding. So you're talking about something like $300,000 for Bitcoin.
Why only half the value? Why not a quarter of the value or pick some other random number?
Well, because maybe I'm more balanced. I think if I were a Bitcoin maximalist, I would say it would overtake gold. But I think that's like a reasonable base assumption. It's clear, one of the big winners this year is individual investors have really piled into the Bitcoin ETFs. And I think as individuals, as a constituency, they were important in this election. The loss by Sherrod Brown of his Ohio Senate seat, the fact that Trump went to the Bitcoin convention shows that there's a big constituency in the U.S. and hopefully it becomes a bipartisan issue as well, not so one-sided.
There are other.
So there you guys have it. We're at 300K Bitcoin this bull run. That's very, very realistic, guys, right? I understand that, right? Bitcoin reaching, $300,000, that is very, very realistic. And that's why I've been telling guys many times that, yes, personally, I do see Bitcoin, I truly do see Bitcoin reaching at least $300,000 this bull run, right? I really do believe that is very, very possible. And it's insane, right? A lot of people are in fact saying, okay, Bitcoin, right, it's going to go to like 500K. That is insane. I don't know, personally, guys, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I really do not know if Bitcoin can even reach 500K this bull run. Let me know, guys, in the comments, right, down below, if you guys actually think Bitcoin has the potential to reach 500K. But personally, right, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't think that's going to happen this bull cycle. That's just me. And hey, I could be wrong. Bitcoin could reach 500K this bull run. Who knows, right? No one, like I said, no one out there exactly knows where Bitcoin is heading, where the top is going to be for Bitcoin this bull run, right? But yeah, guys, today is for sure a day to buy, right? It really, really is, guys. I really don't want you guys to miss this opportunity to buy your favorite altcoins and Bitcoin, right? I really, really don't, guys. And if you're someone out there that is new to crypto and you're just looking at altcoins and you're not thinking about buying Bitcoin because you're looking at the Bitcoin price and you think it's too late to buy because Bitcoin is at over 90K, you need some Bitcoin in your portfolio, guys. I told you guys this many, many times, right? You need Bitcoin, some Bitcoin in your portfolio. You can't just go all in on altcoins, right? You need to diversify, okay? And you need some Bitcoin, guys, okay? You truly, truly do. So yeah, Bitcoin right now, 93K. Take this as an opportunity to buy some Bitcoin if you haven't already, right? This is a great opportunity right now to buy, okay? Maybe you've been DCAing to Bitcoin. This is obviously a great day right now to buy more, okay? It really, really is, guys. Now, let's have a look here. Yeah, past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins down 5%, 7%, even some over 10%. Right, so today is 100% a great day to buy more altcoins for sure, right? A lot of these alts have been dropping. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. This meme coin is still pumping today, right? Over 400%, almost 500%, which is insane. Okay, and we saw, guys, right? This meme coin has been pumping. Okay, you guys can clearly see that a few days ago. Was up 900%, 1,000, over 1,200% in a single day. I remember it was insane. Memes today are down, right? Yeah. So it's a great day, guys, to really buy your favorite altcoins, including Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. Don't, miss this opportunity, guys, into, not buying this dip today, right? Because trust me, okay, everything will bounce back up. Just remember, guys, we are in fact in a bull run. Okay, and of course, in the bull run, we're not gonna see Bitcoin pumping straight up every single day. Okay, and of course these altcoins, right? We're gonna get days where we see corrections, just like today. Okay, and remember, guys, corrections are healthy, right? Remember, the guys. Okay, corrections are very, very healthy for the market. Okay, so understand. Okay, do not panic. Do not panic sell or anything like that. Okay. Instead, be more bullish, buy more, okay, and just stay calm, right? We are in fact in a bull run soon enough. Okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin bounce back up, and a lot of these altcoins will bounce back up. Just remember, guys, alt season is literally right around the corner. At any moment, we're gonna see a lot of these altcoins pumping like crazy. And we have been, right? For the past week, we have already seen a lot of these altcoins pumping like crazy. Okay, so understand, guys, this is not the time to panic. This is the time right now to be the most bullish and buy more, right? Today is truly a gift. Maybe a lot of you guys have been begging for a dip. When we saw Bitcoin almost reaching 100K, we saw a lot of these altcoins pumping like crazy, right? A lot of meme coins have been pumping as well, right? Here's the dip. that you guys all, in fact, have been praying for and begging for. Here is the dip. Okay, don't miss this opportunity, guys. Okay, today is for sure a great day, okay, to buy Bitcoin and your favorite altcoins. Okay, it really, really is, guys. And like I said, I really do believe this is going to be, our final dip, right? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I really do believe this is going to be like a final dip, okay, because we saw Bitcoin here like struggling to reach $100,000. It went as high as $99,800, right? I'm pretty sure you guys remember that. And then we saw it dipping. It went back up. We saw like a V-shaped recovery, and then this is where it just dropped pretty decently, right? But I really do believe, okay, this is going to be the last dip before we see, Bitcoin reaching $100,000 and higher, right? Maybe like it could drop further down to the downside, right? Who knows? Maybe it will drop right over here, and maybe it'll consolidate, right, for the next few days. Who knows? Who exactly knows, right? But understand, guys, this dip that we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin, this is going to be the last dip before we see it reaching 100K. I really do believe that is very, very possible, right? Very, very possible. So please, I am telling us this right now. Take today as an opportunity to buy, because you really do not want to miss this opportunity, right? And it's a gift, like I said, because you're buying at a cheaper price. Okay, you're buying at a cheaper price, and you're preparing yourself, for the next upcoming push back up to the upside, right? So do not panic, guys. Okay, there is nothing to be worried about. This is the time to be the most bullish and to continue to DCA and accumulate and buy, right? And yeah, a lot of altcoins are down, like I said. Okay, a lot of reds today. Yes, it's clear to see that. So it's a great day to really accumulate more. Okay, do not panic or anything like that. So that is that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's stream. It's a pretty short one compared to my other ones. So I really do appreciate all you guys. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video, you should definitely check it out. I talked about Marcus Saylor buying, okay, for $5.4 billion of Bitcoin today, which was insane, right? So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. That is always appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, right? Consider subscribing, especially if you guys are in fact, Bitcoiners, you guys are in fact, crypto traders or even investors, right? If you guys are just generally in the crypto space, please consider subscribing, because every single day I give you guys updates, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening around the crypto space. So if you guys have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.